Hello everyone, today I'll show you a very annoying app that's also baked into your phone when you buy it, especially if your phone is made in China, meaning it says made in, then be sure to look for this do and disable it. Look, when you go to the standard settings, go to my app, then all apps. Press search tree, and you should see show all apps out of them. You can search for coin or me coin here, and it will find this app. Don't worry about memory data and so on. I have all of this disabled because I use my micro SD flash drive as internal storage. It doesn't consume any data now. Oh, plus I disabled it a long time ago. This app only works in China. If you have your own account or if you have a Chinese phone number, you'll bonuses for certain purchases. They're called coins. They're gonna use this app and then use these bonuses to buy something. Maybe not the whole thing, but just use as an extra discount. But again, that's only if you live in China. For everyone else, this app is simply useless. Also, check the app permissions. When you open it, you'll see that the camera is allowed. That means it can use your camera in stealth mode to obtain some information. Of course, we're disabling that. And look, I'll show you how to disable it now. Also, if you can't find this in default settings, try the second method I'll show you now. Go to Google Play Market, tap your avatar on the right side, and see help and reviews at the bottom. How do I delete an app from an Android device? Look for the line here, tap it to go to settings. If you have a dark theme, temporarily switch to a light one because you'll get an error. Go here, then tap show system processes. There's no search option here, so you'll have to spend a little time searching. Here we find this app called Mika and Tasha. Go ahead and log in. Clear the cache if there's empty. This stop and disable it so particular. Once you've done all this, nothing will be burning here anymore. That's why I can't even stop or disable it now because I've already done that. This way you'll certainly free up some memory, both internal memory and RAM. Your battery will last a little longer. Double check your power and performance settings too. I set mine to limited because you'll have it running with optimization enabled, and then this app will be completely disabled. If you want to completely remove it, you can only do so using third-party apps via Chrome.